What are you doing? That's a no-no, isn't it? Who's that? Who is that? Who is that? Is that Granny? Who is that? Who is that? Let's see. Who is it? Who's in the picture? Let's see. Who's in the picture? Who's that? Is that Granny and Pa? Who's in the other picture? Is it Daddy and Aunt Jenny in the other picture? Oh, thank you. What good job. Yay! Oh, no, we're supposed to leave it closed. Okay, you're going to get out the picture of Daddy and Aunt Jenny. Now we're going to close it back. Thank you. Yeah, who's that? Is that Aunt Jenny and Daddy? Okay, the pictures are falling out. Let's put them back in. Can you put them back in for Mama? Daddy's calling Mommy. Put it back in. Thank you. Good job. Yay. Good job, Kellen. Thank you. Can you put the other picture back in for Mama? Look at that one right there. Look, Kellen. Oh, you're going to take that one back out again. Oh, good job. Who's that? That's Daddy calling Mommy because she didn't answer her cell phone. Alright, put it back in.